Hello everyone, this is Dr. K. Purani, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Arulmigu Palani and our Arts College for Women, Palani. Now we are going, now we are going to discuss about the topic concepts in discrete event simulation. Before going to this topic, we want to see what is simulation. A simulation is the imitation of the operation of a real-world process or system over time, whether done by hand or computer. Simulation involves generation of an artificial history of a system and the observation of that artificial history to draw inferences concerning the operating characteristics of the real system. What are the concepts in discrete event simulation? Yeah. Uh, The concept of a system and a model of a system were discussed below. This chapter deals exclusively with dynamic stochastic system, that is involving time and containing random elements. This is a dynamic and stochastic system that change in a discrete manner, that is a specified manner. We can tell a particular specified length, a particular time, uh, that is discrete manner. The major concepts are briefly defined and then illustrated by examples. See, first one, what is system? System is nothing but a collection of entities. Entities means, suppose in a banking system, in a bank, customers are the entities. These are the examples, that collection of entities. We collect the entities that interact together over time to accomplish one or more goals. Here, example for system is people and machines. Machines in a factory, peoples in anything, or customers in banking system. These are the entities. Model. What is model? A model, an abstract representation of a system, usually containing structural, logical, or mathematical relationships that describe a system in terms of state, entities, and their attributes, states, processes, events, activities, and delays. Okay. Model is nothing but an abstract representation. It is actually in structural or logical, any mathematical relationship. We can describe a model like this. And then next one is system state. What is system state? A collection of variables that contain all the information necessary to describe the system at any time. We want to structure the system, means we want to collect more informations related to that system. For a system is nothing but example, banking system, rapid rail communications, inventory, production system. We can give more and more examples. For this system, we want system state, but it is only the collection of variables what the system needs information. Okay, next one is entity. What is entity? Entity, any object or component in the system that requires explicit representation in the model. Example, a server, a customer. In suppose the system is banking means, a customer is a entity. Suppose our networking system means a server is. Suppose in a factory means a machine is an entity. Okay. Then next one, attributes. What is attributes? The properties of a given entity. Okay. Entity means customer, server, machine, etc., etc. Okay. In this, the properties, for example, the priority of a waiting customer, the routing of a job through a job shop. Suppose in a banking system means, the entity is a customer. The waiting customer, we give priority to the waiting customer. That is the attributes, properties. Then next one is list. What is list? A collection of associated entities ordered in some logical fashion, that is permanently or temporarily anything, such as all customers currently in a waiting line ordered by first come first served or by priority. We can take list, we can collect the list. How the list forms means first come first served. Who will come first, they will served first, or by priority. This is the list. Okay, next, event. What is event? An instantaneous occurrence that changes the state of a system. For example, such an arrival of a newer customer. Event means in that particular system. For example, I will take banking system. Okay, in a banking system, what is the event means? Um, Suppose at this time someone new customer arrives means that is the event. The present time, at that present time, if there is any changes in the state of the system means that is the event. Okay, then event notice. What is event notice? A record of an event to occur at the current or some future time, along with any associated data necessary to execute the event. At a minimum, the record includes the event type on the event time. uh, Actually, event means some changes in the at that present time or some future time, some changes in the state of the system means event. It will record means that is the event notice. Then event list, a list of event notices. If we ordered event notices list means for future event ordered by time of occurrence, that is first come first served. Ordered by time of occurrence, we take the event list, we take the event notices, and it formed by it take we form the list ordered by time of occurrence means it is an event list. Another name is future event list. Another name is future event list, that is FEL. Okay, activity. What is activity? A duration of time of specified length. For example, in the banking system means a service time or inter-arrival time. Okay, in that particular bank system, what is the activity there? There is what is the activity there done? Okay, service or inter-arrival time. Okay, that is the activity which is known as when it begins, although it may be defined in terms of a statistical distribution. Okay, what is delay? A duration of time of unspecified indefinite length which is not known until it ends. Because suppose one customer, for see here, a customer's delay in a lost in first out waiting line, which it begins, when it begins depends on future arrivals. Okay, we cannot say when the customer finished their service and go. So we cannot say that particular time. Definitely we say that some this time only, uh, uh, we cannot say that. So unspecified indefinite length, it is a delay. Next one is clock, a variable representing simulated time called clock in the examples to follow. Thank you.